The road can be dangerous, and you don't know if it's going to be the last time you come back. Once you start driving, it's in your blood. I mean, with me starting at the age of 21, I can say that I pretty much grew up in the truck. There's challenges. Challenges as simple as being able to use the restroom. A lot of times you're missing graduations, birthdays, funerals, weddings. Most people can hug a loved one. Most people can be there to say goodbye when they're passing away. People take that for granted. There are some of us who can't do that. The road can be dangerous, and you don't know if it's going to be the last time you come back. And so you have to think about those moments. But if we stop, then there's going to be nothing. You don't get your medicine, your food, your essential items. Before I started driving, I didn't know. The stuff just appeared in the store. But now being a driver, I know how it gets there.